In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook link to your Wix website. If you're running a business, managing a brand, or even creating a personal website, connecting your social media is a fantastic way to keep your audience engaged. By adding a Facebook link, you allow visitors to easily find and follow your page, creating more opportunities for interaction and growth. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process of adding your Facebook link to your Wix website. Whether you're new to Wix or you've been using it for a while, this tutorial is easy to follow and will have your Facebook link live in no time. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your Wix website editor. To do this, log in to your Wix dashboard and locate the site you want to edit. From your list of projects, click on the specific website you want to work on, and this will open up the Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, you'll be able to see your site as it appears to visitors, along with all the tools you need to make changes. Now, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a small plus icon, which is the button to open the Add menu. Go ahead and click on that. This menu allows you to add various elements to your site, from text boxes to images and of course social links. For today's purpose, you'll want to find and select the social category from the list of options in the Add menu. When you open the social category, you'll see a collection of social icon designs. These are pre-made icons for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. Take a moment to scroll through and choose a design that best fits the aesthetic and feel of your website. Wix offers a variety of styles, so whether your site is fun and colorful or sleek and modern, there's something for everyone. Once you've selected a design, you can place these social icons anywhere on your page. Simply drag and drop the icons to your desired location. A good tip here is to place them somewhere visible, like in the header, footer, or even along the side of the page where visitors can easily spot them. Now that your icons are in place, click on the social icons section you just added. A small menu will appear. Select the option labeled Set Social Links. This is where you'll customize the links attached to each icon. Before proceeding, take a moment to remove any social links that you don't need. For example, if you don't use Twitter or Instagram for your site, it's a good idea to declutter this section by removing those extra icons. With the unnecessary links removed, locate the Facebook icon in the Social Links panel and click on it. This will open the settings for that specific icon. You'll see an option labeled Link, select that, and it will bring up a field where you can enter your URL. Copy and paste the URL of your Facebook page directly into this field, making sure it's accurate. Once your URL is entered, click outside the Settings panel to save your changes. Wix will automatically save this for you, but it's always a good idea to double-check that the link works correctly before publishing. To test it, hover over the Facebook icon and click. You should be redirected to your Facebook page. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks and functions, it's time to make your changes live. At the top right corner of the editor, you'll see the option to publish or update your site. Click on that, and your Facebook link will now be live for all your visitors to see and use. And that's it. You've successfully added a Facebook link to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.